Hello everyone, my name is Hilda and welcome back to my channel for day 21 of Vlogmas. Happy Yule everyone, or Yule, depending on how you pronounce it, to everybody who celebrates it, because today is December 21st. And because of that, I'm going to start with the Nightmare Before Christmas calendar, because I feel like it. Let's see who we get. We've only got 3 days left after today. So we're nearly done unboxing the lot. Yesterday we got Santa. Today we got the Corpse Child. So yeah. Also not the best Funko version of a Nightmare Before Christmas calendar, so that's a little bit disappointing, but can't win every day. And let's see what ink we get for day 21. So write it down here. I'm gonna switch it around so you can see. It's strapped in there good. Haha. Also struggle, but I got it. It's got a gold wrapper, so hopefully this is not a yellow, but a gold ink could be cool. We'll see, we'll see. So let's see what's happening with, what was it called? Brandy Snap? Brandy Snap. The name is fun though. This is a standard ink, so there will be no shimmer, no sheen, and thankfully no need to shake this up every 5 seconds, which I do appreciate. Okay, going in with a slightly wet brush. This is a brown. Oh, I love this. This is so nice. Kind of gives me Hufflepuff vibes. This also makes me think of, what's it called? Lauren or Eli, if you were to just please leave a comment. On same goes for everybody else who does. But there's like this diamine ink. It's something with honey. Golden honey? And it reminds me of that. So today we are painting a Krampus cookie. He's grinning. Was probably before he was set on fire and got very, very displeased. I mentioned in, before that this ink reminds me a lot of something honey from Diamine. And like I said, I do not have that ink, but my friend Lauren and my friend Eli do. And so I'm going to look through their Instagram and see if they have a photo of that ink, and I will insert it right here. So yeah, so you can see what it looks like. I'm gonna go in very, very softly. This is almost like a golden ochre. So I like that. I mean, super lucky that we got that today, because it's a good cookie color. I think it is, at least. I think this will be really, really pretty when I go in darker on the little embellishments of the cookie. And then also if I would add some coloring pencil afterwards, I think that will be super cute. So yeah, I'm going to do that once it's dry. So this is dry, and I'm going to go in and put some more ink on the embellishments of the evil gingerbread cookie. If you hear screaming of cats in the background, I don't know what's wrong with them. I think they're having an argument. I have 3 cats, so arguments happen. I'm kind of torn about this ink because I like it a lot. It's very pretty. But when I paint with it, it also reminds me a lot of Sennelier's Golden Ochre, the watercolor. It is very, very pretty. I will give it that. Cookie blood. It's funny. If you have seen my Shop Disney haul, which I posted on the 6th, and I will link it down below, you know that I have gotten a box of 2 gingerbread houses, sorry, mystery pins. I got them in the sale on Black Friday. And yeah, I'm just opening them now as a little extra for you. Yeah, I know that you guys, English-speaking people, probably pronounce it a little bit differently, but in Dutch we say Yule. Okay, there's no way I can keep this box nice. There's 2 pins inside. They're just in these plastic blind bags. I'm not gonna try and feel what's inside. I'm just gonna go and open them. These are, if I'm not mistaken, are they limited edition? Doesn't really say. Each box contains 2 randomly selected pins, but it doesn't really say whether they're limited or not. Oh, and then they're in another piece of paper to really keep it a surprise. And what do we have? Oh, we have Gus! Gus's little house. Well, I suppose it's Cinderella's castle? I'm not entirely sure. I haven't watched Cinderella in forever. But my best friend used to have a dog called Gus, and I'm sure she'll like it. I shall ask her if she wants it, because I have nothing with Cinderella. And if she doesn't want it, I think my friend Patty might, because she collects Cinderella. I'm going to try and I'm going to try to take him out like this for maximum surprise. And this is, oh, it's like a steamboat and Donald Duck. I'm gonna keep this because I think it's cute. So I'm gonna keep this one for myself. Yeah, this is definitely going to a friend. I'm not gonna trade it. I'm literally going to give it away because it's the season for giving. But yeah, this is better. Both pins, even though they're super duper small. I can't zoom in any further. But yeah, these are very cute. They're ridiculously detailed. I'm quite baffled. I'm not sure how well this will keep with the lollipop sticking out when you wear it. Also, in true Disney style, they only have 1 pin back, which means you can lose them super easily. Waffle backing, it says something. I will insert a picture. I can't read it like this. I have bad eyesight, okay? I wear giant glasses for a reason. But yeah, these are cute. I will insert pictures so you can properly see. Let's conclude day 21. I'm pretty happy with what I got. I mean, I will admit that these are obviously not my favorite picks for the pins. I mean, obviously, I like them a lot. They're very cool. But I would have hoped I would have gotten the Up House. I was really hoping for the Up House or like Goofy and his house. But I was kind of hoping for Rapunzel's tower with Pascal as well, so I could give it to Bet for his collection. But yeah, these are super cute. And I'm happy with the Donald, which I will be keeping. It's very cheery, very Christmassy. It could only have been better if the yellow lollipop would have been green, so it could be Huey, Tui, and Louie, but now it's yellow, so that's not Louie's color. Although I think sometimes he's colored yellow, but yeah, I still love it. It's awesome. I like it a lot. And then the Gus one, like I said, I will be giving it away to someone. I have several friends who like Gus and who like Cinderella, so somebody's going to give this a good home and love it a lot. So yeah. Totally not a loss that I got this one because I will be able to spread some cheer and make somebody else happy with it. Then I originally thought this was the corpse child, but he doesn't have an axe in his head, does he? I think this is the corpse dad. I clearly have no idea. I'm not sure at all. Please leave a comment down below and tell me who this actually is. I mean, I know it's Denizen of Halloween Town, obviously. I know that much. Yeah, he's definitely not my favorite Funko. I mean, I think he's kind of He's fun in his own way, but for sure not my fave. But I don't mind. I mean, it's at least an original character. But I kind of feel sad. If this is the corpse dad, well, not sad, but you know what I mean. If this is the corpse dad, where's the rest of his family? Are we going to get the corpse mom and the corpse child on day 22 and day 23? I wonder now, or is it just random on its own? Wait and see, I suppose, because there's still 3 days left on this calendar. I assume that they're not gonna put a corpse person in day 24. I'm kind of hoping that we will get Santa Jack in day 24, Sandy Claus. But yeah, wait and see, like I said. Brandy Snap. I flippin' love Brandy Snap. It probably comes to no surprise that the brown ones are my favorite ones. To anyone who knows me at least. But yeah, I really like it. It's very versatile. It's nice for writing. It's nice for painting. I will absolutely keep this. If I go through quite fast, I will undoubtedly buy the full size. I mean, I guess I will get the full size eventually, but not until I've used that one up. But yeah, today was a really, really good advent calendar haul, so to speak. I really like everything, even if it is the giveaway. I mean, I really enjoyed opening all the things and playing around with Brandy Snap. So yeah, leave a comment down below. What did you think of all these things, or just the video full stop? If you do leave a comment, please be kind and subscribe if you want to stick around. We're really nearing the end now, because we're at day 21, which means there's 3 more days left on this calendar and 4 more on the other ones, and Christmas is right around the corner. First day of winter as well. Happy solstice to those that celebrate it. And yeah, I will see you tomorrow for day 22. Bye-bye!